It is obvious that millions of content creators are going viral in the faceless channel niche. The question is, how? Have you spent countless hours searching the web, yet still don't know where to get started? Well, today, I'm going to show you a simple method to start gaining views on a faceless channel. Now, I will be using a real-life example of a channel I've been secretly working on in the background. Let's go ahead and take a look at the analytics. Let's look at just the last 7 days. As you can see, all the views, watch time, and subscribers are up. But how did I manage this? Well, it's really quite a simple thing to do. I wanted to find something trending that I could recreate. That's when I found one artist from the YouTube audio library. He goes by the name Nefex. If you don't know, Nefex makes copyright-free music. As you can see, he is getting millions of views. So I searched for top 5 Nefex songs, and I found that most of these videos were going viral. So I thought to myself, let's make a viral Nefex video. Now, to do something like this is very simple and only requires a few steps. Trust me, this style of video will net you plenty of views. Look at this video I uploaded 7 days ago. It is almost at 4,000 views and over 300 hours of watch time in a single week. Or this video, uploaded 2 days ago with 700 views and almost 60 hours of watch time. Now you might be wondering, how do I make one of these videos? First, come to the YouTube audio library and search for Nefex. Then find 5 songs you feel like will go viral and download them. Once we got our songs, we need a background for our video. Come over to Canva and choose Create a Design. Then choose the YouTube thumbnail template. Find the Elements tab and click it. Then search for an ambient background like a sunrise on the beach. Then find a video you like and make it the background. Now, you're going to want to download this and save it for later. After it downloads, we can remove it from our canvas. Go back to Elements and find Photos. Then choose a good background for our thumbnail. You can adjust the image to your liking. Next, search Nefex in Google Images and download the 2 we need. Now go back to Canva and upload our Nefex logo. Arrange it how you like and remove the background. Now put the names of the songs you downloaded earlier on the thumbnail. After it's done, you should have something like this. Now it is time to put it all together. I edited my video using CapCut. Now it's time to upload it. And there you have it, folks. Your views should begin skyrocketing in no time. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. This is Professor AI signing out.